Hi, I'm Rasheed Philips, I'm a pit master, and we're here at the Beef is What's for Dinner Culinary Center. I'm going to teach you some amazing tips and tricks to help elevate your beef. So my tip, always buy the biggest cuts you can, break it down, save it. I've got a long list, but in no particular order. Some of my favorite cuts are a Denver steak. I absolutely love a Florentine cut steak. Love oxtail, that's just my favorite, being Jamaican, being an islander. Absolutely love oxtail. I get down with a nice flank or skirt steak, wonderful for fajitas or tacos. And of course, you can't forget brisket. Paying attention to your budget and still eating well seems a little hard, but there's some great cuts. Buying larger cuts of beef and breaking it down yourself really helps. So maybe you don't go grab just the ribeye, maybe you get the whole roast, then you can split it into the thicknesses you like, save those bones, braise them off, make a nice little beef foie broth. There's so many tips and tricks you can use. Then once that's done, save the extra fat, render that down, base that as a roux for a nice beef stew, and it'll really go a long way. For more amazing and delicious tips and tricks, visit beefiswhatsfordinner.com.